As the sun rises in the east to start and adorn the day, so rises the continuing coverage of your Sinag Liga Asia Junior World Showcase Philippines Born 2004 Division. As patuloy po rin po tayong bibigay ng laro dito sa loob ng Bacolor Convention Center in Bacolor, Pampanga. For the second game of this Saturday, triple header dito para sa inyong mga kasinag as makikita natin ang mga fans dito sa loob ng Bacolor Convention Center in the municipality of Bacolor, Pampanga. Unti-unting na napupuno dahil one of their home teams maglalaban-laban pero makakatapat muna nila itong si Renzo. Competente, 22 points and 8 rebounds in the last game for the Hustle Rising Suns. Can they break their 2-game skid dito sa 19 under? But standing in their way is the pride of Bacolor, Pampanga himself, Joseph Pangilinan, and the rest of the top-seeded Pampanga Delta Pradera Team Park. And that is our game at hand between Pampanga Delta Pradera Team Park and the Hustle Rising Suns. Isang magandang araw po sa lahat ng mga kasinag na nakatutok from Luzon, Visayas, Mindanao at sa iba't ibang bansa na bumubuo ng Asia. Ako po ang inyong mga kasama. I am Enzo Galarosa, and for this second game, we have a very, very special guest analyst for today. Walang iba kundi si Coach Den Bautista. Coach Den, magandang araw sa iyo.
Magandang araw. Good afternoon sa mga Sinag fans. Exciting game to dahil pareha sa Pampanga-based teams. Magtatagpo dito. So, subukan ng dito. Subukan ng galing at sistema sa laro.
Tama ka dyan, Coach Den. And joining us on the silence, completing our panel, walang iba kundi si Francine Capili on the silence. Kamustahin naman natin siya. Franz, kamusta ka dyan?
I'm very okay here, Enzo. Good afternoon, Enzo and Coach Den. At maya pagat panapon sa ating mga kasinag who are still watching our second game of the day. And it will be the Pampanga Delta Pradera Team Park going up against the Hustle Rising Suns. Kaya naman po tumutok lang kayo because I will still be your eyes and ears on the sideline. So back to you, Coach Den and Enzo.
Thank you so much, Francine. At natuto ka ng Kapampangan, ha? Galing mo dun, Francine, ha? But syempre, pwede niyo pong tutukan ang aming mga laro dito sa Sinag Liga Asia. Lahat ng mga social media platforms namin at Sinag Liga Asia on both Facebook and Instagram. Follow us on TikTok and subscribe to our YouTube channel at Sinag Liga TV for more updates with regards sa Liga, lalong-lalo na dito sa 19 under tournament natin. At speaking of this tournament, itong Born 2004, Coach Den, tingnan natin dito yung ating updated team standings. Nasa na ba itong dalawang koponan natin dito? And siyempre, Pampanga Delta, wala pang talo. Samantalang itong Hustle Rising Suns naman, unfortunately, 2-game losing streak sila.
Oo, yun nga. Siguro, dahil sa lineup ng Delta Pradera, no? Intact yung lineup nila, tapos matagal nang magkakasama yan.
Tama.
Yun. Sa kabilang team naman, itong Hustle Rising Suns, mostly mga recruits. So siguro makapag-gel sila sa team nila. That's the time na makapag-bounce back sila.
Kaya saktong-sakto, Coach Den, ang ating game story is uphill, downhill. Kasi nga, uphill, downhill dahil nga nasa taas itong Pampanga, nasa baba itong Hustle. Dahil nga sa 2-game losing skid, sino ba mananalig? And kagaya nga sabi ni Coach Philip Gary kanina, in any given game, pwedeng matalo ang nasa taas.
Yes. So dito, anybody's ball game. Di ba?
Tama. Kaya titingnan po natin mga kasinag nga ang ating laban ngayon. But bago po natin mapanood ang laban ng Pampanga Delta Pradera Team Park and the Hustle Rising Suns, ibigay muna natin ulit dito kay Francine Capili for her updates on the two teams playing in this ball game. Franz, take it away.
As we are nearing the end of the first round of our eliminations for the 19 Under League, Pampanga Delta Pradera Team Park, who is currently sitting comfortably at the top, wants to cement their flawless run. But before the elimination round ends, there's two challenges that they have to face, and they have to be facing the very eager and very hungry team of Hustle Rising Suns, who are looking to bounce back from a loss. And in the first round, to end the first round on a high note, how can Hustle Rising Suns hustle their way to a comeback? Coming up, it is Pampanga Delta Pradera Team Park against the Hustle Rising Suns. Now let's turn it over to our game announcer Ram Valet for Sinag starters.
Maya pagat manapun kay kayungan mga kasinag live po tamo kay kang Bacolor. PD Convention Center, Bacolor, Pampanga. Welcome to Sinag Liga Asia Junior World Showcase. Presented to you by Sinag Liga Asia and co-presented by CDO Prespear, foods that brings you home. And True Religion Philippines. We're also live at Sinag Liga Asia official FB page and YouTube channel at Sinag Liga Asia TV, powered by Converge. Our second game for the day 20 of the competition, the battle between Pampanga Pradera Verde and Hustle Rising Suns. And now let's meet the starting lineups of the protagonists. First, for your Pampanga Pradera Verde. At point guard from San Simon number 19, Andre Dungo. Shooting guard from Lubao number 4, Daniel Padilla. Small forward from Bacolor, your very own Joseph Pangilinan. Also at forward from Masantol, number 42, Jolo Navarro. And center from Laguna, San Pedro, number 44, Charles Dural. Pampanga Pradera Verde is led by Coach Jay Shera. Assistant coaches Pepe Duyag, Totoy Marquez. Team manager Mr. Mar Henson. Team owner Governor Dennis Delta Pineda. Your Pampanga Pradera Verde. And now let's meet the starters for your Hustle Rising Suns. Point guard from Muntinlupa City, number 1, Dwayne Miranda. Shooting guard from Cebu City, number 24, Pads Padilla. Small forward from Quezon City, number 7, Enzo Compitente. Power forward from Lanao del Sur, number 0, Nur Dat Malim. And center from Los Baños, Laguna, number 6, Basti Reyes. Hustle Rising Suns is led by Coach Dan Bautista. Assistant coaches Philip Gray. Team manager, Team Florendo. Team owner, Ms. Marjorie Christian de la Cruz. Your Hustle Rising Suns. Game officials are Erson Bergs Isuga, Michael Galotero, and Jong Bandayat. Alternate referee, Jonas Sargento. Ito ang inyong
And here are your Sinag starters of the game para dito sa Pampanga Delta Pradera Team Park. They're with Pineda, Pangilinan, Dungo, Navarro, and Dural. Para naman dito sa Hustle Rising Stars, they started with Datumalim, Miranda, Reyes, Competente, and Pads Padilla. Jump ball. One here by the Hustle Rising Suns. Enzo Galarosa po together with Coach Den Bautista and Francine Capili on the silence. Agad-agad, Dwayne Miranda with a triple, Coach Den.
Ganda ng kumpiyansa ng Miranda. Unang bitaw, pasok.
Manang-mana talaga sa tatay niya si Coach Den.
Oo.
As a traveling violation whistled here on the Green Archer, Arnday Dungo. Nagulat si Doy dun. One thing na hindi pwedeng pabayaan dito, Coach Den ng Pampanga Delta, is yung turnovers nila kasi isa ang Hustle Rising Suns sa mga magagaling mag-capitalize ng mga turnovers.
Oh, yun nga. Tapos pag nagkakumpiyansa yung mga players, alam mo na, pag mga bata, tuloy-tuloy yan.
Lalo na ito. Basti Reyes underneath, huli doon ni Pangilinan. Pero kanya pa rin ang sipag talaga nito ni Basti Reyes. Back-to-back champion. Galing sa programa ng Letran Squires under that program. Kasama nila Pads Padilla and of course, Jonathan Manalili na wala ngayon for the panig ng Hassel Rising Suns. But still, ang laki ng improvements na itong bata na to, Coach Den. Last year napanood ko siya. Nag-iba agad yung laro niya ngayon. Mas naging mature at mas marunong na gumamit ng katawan pa.
Oo, tapos ano pa yan ha? May playing years pa yan sa Letran ha?
Parang 17 years old pa lang ata to. 18? Batang-bata pa to, di ba?
18,
18, di ba? May playing years pa sa juniors eh. A bump foul whistled here. Galing sa panig na ito ni Basti Reyes. Naisahan siya doon ni Charles Dural. 9 minutes and 13. 5-0 in favor of Hustle Rising Suns. Pangilinan to inbound, gives it to Doy. Dungo from the corner. Short for Andre. Pads on the run. Gives it to Dwayne. Dwayne swings it. Padilla hesitated to shoot kahit open na siya. Padilla attacks. Flip shot. Wala yun. Basti try to keep it alive. His Letran Square teammate Navarro with a rebound. And Jolo with a finger roll. Familiar na familiar si Navarro, coach, kay Basti.
Basti, oh.
Mainit ang kamay ni Miranda. 2 out of 2 now for Dwayne.
Parang nahiram ang kamay ng Denok Miranda.
Sure na sure ako dyan. And of course, itong si Dwayne Miranda, meron pa silang isa pang kapatid na under 15 years old, di ba? So mga anak ni Coach Denok Miranda, for sure, as the pride of Bacolor misses there for Pangilinan. Basti decides to give it to Pads. Padilla, the swing, kompetente, favorite shot from the corner. Short nga lang for Renzo.
Mukhang nagpapainit pa yung kompetente ng Hassel.
Alam natin yun, Coach Den, no? Kapag nag-init yun, sunod-sunod nitong ating Batang Gilas member. But speaking of, Jolo Navarro all the way to the basket ulit.
Speaking of nagpapainit, mukhang umiinit na yung Delta team, ha?
And yan yung medyo mahirap pigilan, no, Coach Den? Dahil nga sabi mo, yung team chemistry nila nasa taas talaga eh.
Yes.
Dungo to Pangilinan. Back to Dungo! Ganda naman ang pasahan dun ng former Tiger Cub teammates. Magkasabayan dati sa UST Tiger Cubs for 1 year. Si JP Pangilinan and Andre Dungo. As Miranda tried to draw the foul, no whistle. Navarro gives it to Doy. Good defense by Miranda. Padilla being defended by Dungo. Former rivals in the NCAA juniors yan. For Letran, itong si Padilla, si Dungo nung nasa San Beda pa siya.
Oo. Ngayon, nagkita ulit sila dito sa Sinag.
As a flip shot by Kompetente. Speaking of Red Cub, Coach Den,
Mukhang yan na yung hinihintay natin na pag-init.
Grabe, no? Pinapakita niya talagang experience. Of course, may international experience tong si Renzo Kompetente playing for Batang Gilas.
Now preparing for UST stints niya.
Yes. Ako excited ako dun. Tumasan ako. So ito, Kompetente. Stop and pop jumper. Doesn't get a friendly roll. Pampanga still trying to figure out itong depensa ng Hustle. Joseph gives it to Charles. Dural gets stripped away by Padilla. And Pads gets the steal. He has Miranda on his right. Padilla gives it up to Miranda. 8 points now for Dwayne.
Unselfish play galing kay Pads Padilla.
Grabe. Point guard din talaga laruan ito ni Pads Padilla, no, Coach Den. Hindi lang siya scorer eh. May ganun din siya mga floor generalship eh.
Sa sistema ni Coach Allen ng Letran at least 2-3 position nalalaro nila.
And kita mo naman, pahirapan din sa gitna para dito sa panig ng Pampanga Delta. From the field as a miss for Kompetente, so wala pa yung outside shooting niya so far. Yung kupunan, nahihirapan, Coach Den, sa tres. Good tap. Good tap by Dwayne. We say bola dito. Bola ng Pampanga Delta as Alexandre Gazingan comes into the ball game. Another Letran Squire. Another player yun ang cover ko. Ito naman, si Malonzo. Papasok na James Malonzo, number 21 for Pampanga Delta Pradera Team Park. Doyce gives it down low to Navarro. Back to Doral. JP fires. Uy, in and out. Pangilinan. Bola ulit dito ng Hustle Rising Suns. And para dito sa Pampanga, Coach Den, medyo nakikita na unti-unti ng mga kasama nila dito sa 19 under kung paano tumatakbo yung team nila, di ba?
Oo, oo.
Pero, ano din Coach Den, di ba? Meron din sila mga missing players. Wala ngayon si Tebol Garcia at saka si Elijah Yusi na malaking bagay yun sa backcourt nila. But syempre, sa Hustle din, wala din itong si Manalili. Diba?
Manalili tsaka Pablo, wala sa Hustle. Yung UC, maganda yung nilaro last game nila.
Yes.
So, mamimiss nila yung service ni UC ngayon.
Ito naman ang serbisyo ni Basti Reyes. Ang ating lakas move of the quarter brought by True Religion brand jeans. Sabi, i-improve yung lakas niya. Kaya, nung simula ng Letran career niya, Coach Den, off the bench siya. Pero last year, binigyan siya ng tiwala ni Coach Alan Ricardo maging starter.
Nasa starter, ano na siya, starter 5. So, dun niya siguro nakuha yung kumpiyansa niya, kaya nag-improve siya tuloy-tuloy.
Tama, at ngayon lamang na 15-6 in favor of the Hustle Rising Suns. 5 minutes and 5 seconds natitira sa ating first quarter.
Sa unang subo hanggang huli, parang kisa aking pisngi. Kain love, love talaga. Kahit di sabihin, feel na love kami. Kain love, love talaga.
This Sinag Liga Asia Junior World Showcase Philippines is brought to you by CDO Food Spear. Food that brings you home. Lock them up in the fourth. Ito yung ginawa ng Pampanga Delta Pradera Team Park kontra sa Leap Basketball PH sa kanilang huling laro. And tinan mo yung quarter scoring, Coach Den, na mababa, 15-7. Pero 23% lang ang pinayagan ng Pampanga Delta sumut itong Leap Basketball.
Yes. Which is, ano naman, is 32%. Kaya lamang sila.
Yun na nga eh. Dikit at kulang pa yung lineup ng Leap Basketball. Na sinasabi nga natin may time talaga na mahuhulaan ng mga ibang koponan ang laro nitong Pampanga Delta. Nasa players na lang yan kung sino ba mag-step up, di ba? Charles Doral knocks down the baseline jumper. Good jumper galing from the kid out of San Pedro, Laguna. Padilla attacks. Padilla spins. The kick to Competente. Renzo attacks. And Renzo puts it up and in over Doy.
Yan ang aabangan sa UST lineup.
Totoo. As Malonzo, quick trigger, three-pointer, no go. Oh, what a rebound there by Alexandre. Grabe.
Parang big man kung kumalawit ng rebound.
At ang pagkakakilala ko dito, Coach Den, kay Gazinga na scorer at shooter. Nagulat ako na iba na yung laro niya bigla. But ngayon, ibigay natin kay Francine Capili for her updates on the two teams playing in this ballgame. France?
Thank you, Enzo. The boys of Pampanga Delta are very eager to play for this game dahil nga meron silang home court advantage. But the home court advantage is also with the team of Hustle Rising Suns being a Pampanga-based team. Most of the families and close friends of these players are in attendance today to show their support. And ang sabi nga ni Coach Jay Sierra, malaki ang factor nito sa kanilang team and as well as the motivations of their players to play well. And all around, it is a very supportive atmosphere here in Pampanga. Now back to you, Enzo and Coach Den.
Thank you so much, Francine. And yun feeling ng Pampanga na home court sila dito. Kasi karamihan talaga sa kanila nandito sa Pampanga. Pero let's not forget na Coach Den, itong Hustle Rising Suns, Florida Blanca-based ang Hustle Rising Suns ni Coach JR, di ba?
Oo. Ang Hustle is based on Florida. Yun yung mga camp niya, nandun din. May sariling court yan sa Florida.
Ang ganda nga dun eh. Basti Reyes again scoring underneath. Talagang lagi na lang nandun si Basti Reyes for those drop-off passes.
Mukhang nag-step up yung Basti Reyes sa absent ni Luis Pablo.
So So si Luis Pablo busy din ngayon for De La Salle University, di ba? Corner three-pointer short para dito kay Malonzo. At yun nga lang, di nahawakan na maayos ni Basti. As Francis De La Cruz, the pride of Lubao, Pampanga, comes in. At pagpapahingayin muna nila Coach Philip Gary and Coach J.R. De La Cruz. Itong si Basti Reyes, quality minutes ang dinala niya in this first quarter. Babalik itong si Nur Datumalim on the floor. Francis goes to Doy. And again, another traveling violation on Andre Dungo.
Medyo gigil yung Dungo, ha? Umatake.
Nakita niya siguro, Coach Den, kasi nagkatapat recently ang UST at La Salle. Nandoon si Renzo Competente sa laro niya. Nandoon si Andre Dungo. Medyo baka may rivalry na sa UAP, di ba?
Gusto niya sukatan ulit yung depensa ni Competente.
Parang sinabi niya, tinalo kita doon. Try din kita talunin ngayon. Pero siyempre, ibang team na to ngayon, di ba, Coach Den? Francis, playing point guard, gives it to Doy. Miranda naman ang susubok sa kanya. La Salle versus FEU naman ito. Oh, good pocket pass by Dungo to Pangilinan, and Joseph scores his first 2 points of the game. Napapalakpak dun si Kuya Migs niya.
Ginamit niya yung mismatch dun, ha?
As Reguera natapikan ng bola. Malonzo to Dungo, gives it to Francis on the run. Francis with an easy layup there. Here comes Pampanga Delta. Naiputol nila ang Kalamangan to 7 points. Tingnan natin itong fast break na to. Coach din ang ating lakas play of the quarter brought to by J Project Clothing Shop, makers of quality uniform. At baba na lang sa 7 ang Kalamangan dito ng Hustle Rising Suns, 19-12. Lost steam in the fourth quarter. This is what happened to the Hustle Rising Suns when they lost to Parañaque Pelicans 98-91. Coach Den, and kita natin yung fourth quarter. 28 points compared to 18. Medyo nahirapan sila nung dulo.
Oo, malayo yung difference niyan.
Kita natin yung points in the paint. 58-34. Dun sila nahirapan. Yung Espinosa-Vergara connection. Yung pick and roll nun eh.
Grabe yung nilaro ng Vergara doon sa game na yun, ha?
36 points and 10 assists.
Unstoppable, oh.
Mana-mana sa tatay, no, kay Coach Al.
Kaya nga.
Pero syempre,
Nanonood pa naman yung tatay nun.
oo. Speaking of tatay, Borgie Reguera knocks down the 3. Parang yung tatay lang niya.
Parang tatay lang, baka gusto mag-best player din, ha?
Oo, of course. His father was the best player of the game nung lakas 40 for Vertex Maritime. Nung kalaban nilang yung Tatak Jelbin yan. As Dungo, yun, bumawi. Itong si Doy. Pampanga, inuunti-unti itong Kalamangan. But siyempre, itong Hustle, maganda ang panimula nila in this quarter. Competente, decides to attack the spin. And draws a foul on Migs Pangilinan. Tignan natin itong press kanina ni Andre Dungo, ating lakas shot of the quarter brought to you by CDO Foods, beer food that brings you home. From the pride of San Simon himself and the new De La Salle Green Archer, Andre Dungo. Padilla against Dungo. Knight kontra Archer. Padilla scoops it up and in.
Gandang galawan ng Padilla.
Grabe, Coach Den, pwede mo nang sabihin, nasa kanya na ang lahat, no?
Yes, yes. Oh. Ito yung mga dapat tingnan ng mga batang players na mangarap maging player din, ha? Magagandang galawan.
Siyempre, yes. Turnover dun kay Malonzo, kay Gorino dapat niya ipapasa, pero hindi parte ng laro ngayon si Jeremy Gorino. Kaya Coach Den, di ba? As a coach, ano ba yung mga maipapayo mo sa mga batang players na ito na nangangarap? Siyempre, itong mga bata naglalaro. Either nasa high school pa or papasok pa lang ng college careers nila. Ano ba yung mga mabibigay mong advices sa kanila bago sila pumasok?
Sa mga bata, Enzo,
Yes, Coach.
kailangan continuous practice. Tapos, kailangan dyan hard work talaga. Tapos, walang shortcut dyan sa basketball career. Walang shortcut.
Tama. Ika nga kanina ni Coach Philip Gary, Coach shortcut for the short term, sabi niya.
Yes.
Grabe naman yun, ang haba ng steps to the rim ni Andre Dungo. Unti-unti nang umiinit si Doyce. Babasa 7, ang kalamangan ng hustle. Eason gives it to Padilla. Sa tres naman sa titira, wala yun. Joseph kicks it to Malonzo. James on the Euro. Oh! Bumangga sa pader itong si Malonzo. That will be the second team foul on the Hustle Rising Suns. Foul will be on Nur Datumalim.
Ang tawag ng mga teammates nila dyan big boy. Kaya tawag ng big boy, matigas yata yung katawan.
Kita mo ba naman, Coach Den, no? Bagsak talaga si Malonzo dun eh. Yes. Itong si Malonzo, matibay na bata to, palaban to. But minsan talaga makakatapat ka ng pader talaga na player, di ba?
Yes.
Coach Jay Serra, dudukot sa bench niya ng higante. Second free throw ni Malonzo, mintis yan. As a jump ball will be whistled. And double lane violation na nangyari. Bola pa rin dito ng Pampanga Delta. Francis kicks it to Dungo. Double team, kicks it back to Francis. De La Cruz to Malonzo, fires a three. Off the mark. Uy! Pangilinan, mintis yun, but on the follow! Will that count? Our referees are going to signal the review. Nagulat sila dun, Coach Den, na nandun na lang yung pangilinan sa ilalim. Our referees are going to review it. Will that basket count for the pride of Bacolor, a former player of Villa de Bacolor sa Delta Cup? In front of his kuya, Migs Pangilinan right now. Pero itong Hustle Rising Suns, regardless, magiging asa kalamangan ngayon. And our referees say no count daw yung basket na yun for Joseph Pangilinan. Tingnan natin dito, yan yung tira ni Malonzo. Unang putback. Counted sana, Coach Den, na yung unang putback. Sa pangalawa, no count na yun.
Yung pangalawa talagang no more time para sa basket na yun.
Yes. After that review, etong Hustle Rising Suns lamang. After these first quarter highlights, napakagandang simula. Galing dito kay Dwayne Miranda and kay Pads Padilla. Ito naman yung sagot kanina ni Charles Dural from the mid-range. Siyempre, Borgie Reguera, the drop-off to Basti Reyes. Napakagandang simula para dito kay Basti Reyes, the Letran Square champion. Doy Dungo trying to carry his team dito sa first half, but still, ito Pampanga Delta find themselves down by 6 points, 24-18 against the Hustle Rising Suns.
Sobrang bilis ba? Iyan ang bilis ng FiberX. Iyan ang internet.
J Project Clothing Shop, Premium Fabric. We customized, quality printing. Makers of quality uniform. J Project Clothing Shop, Premium Fabric. We customized, quality printing. Makers of quality uniform.
Lorenzo Competente, who scored 22 points on their last game. His mindset for every game is to simply push. Hanggang matapos ang game, gagawin niya ang lahat ng kanyang makakaya. No matter if they think na mas malakas ang kanilang kalaban and no matter the result, stay positive is the motto of the Growling Tiger from Hustle. Now back to you, Enzo and Coach Den.
Thank you so much, Francine. And from one Tiger na nag-report to another Tiger ang kinausap niya, di ba? And syempre, former Tomasian din naman ako. So, but yun nga, ganyan talaga ang mga mindset, Coach, ng mga Tigre. Lalong-lalo na kapag nanggaling ka sa programa ni Coach Pido Harencio, di ba?
Yes. Yung 2,000 pataas, mostly Pido Harencio program na yan.
Dami nanggaling dyan na mahuhusay eh. Sila, of course, Jervy Cruz ang pinaka nag-stand up. Jeric Teng, Kevin Ferrer as tumalim misses. But, yun eh, importante to, Coach Den, di ba? Yung stint nila dito sa Sinag, ito, Competente, Dungo sa kabila, Navarro, Pangilinan, Padilla. Importante to kasi coming in sa panibagong division naman, college naman ang aanuhin nila. Kasi sa ngayon, angat sila sa mga kaedad nila. Pero pagdating nila sa college, sa seniors division, iba na yung mga tao doon, ng mga veterano eh. Ngayon sila naman, rookie naman ulit sila, di ba?
Yes, magandang preparation tong Sinag para sa next level na competition na haharapin nila.
Ito Padilla, look at the dance with Francis. Oh, good move by Daniel and good time to Nur. Hindi nga lang pumasok para kay Tumalim. Alonzo gives it to Fricks. The pride of San Fernando is now on the floor. Alonzo to Vergara. Christian, back to Fricks. Hingi na screen kay Doral. Fricks, jumper. Too strong. Good defense by Alexandre. And Francis Inago yun kay Ison. Pampanga Delta still struggling from the field. Dural hinihingi sa poste. Francis. Oh, good defense by Borgi. Bola pa rin dito ng Pampanga pero 4 seconds na lang ang natitira. Bautista to inbound with 4 seconds remaining on the shot clock. Fricks to Malonzo. James from way downtown. Ayaw pa rin talaga para dito sa Pampanga. Pero wala din yung putback doon ni Fricks Bautista. Pahirapan dito, Coach Ben na.
Oo, pahirapan. Lalo na yung mga crucial shots na ganon.
And para sa Pampanga Delta, Coach Ben, anong tingin mong kailangan nilang gawin para mapagpag itong alat ng shooting nila ngayong araw?
Actually, nakikita na natin medyo nag-adjust na yung coaches ng Delta, no? Nagpasok siya ng 2 big. So, parang gusto niya i-maximize yung height advantage nila.
Yun na yung Fricks Bautista scores his first 2 points of the game. Tingnan natin kung yun ba yung magpapatuloy ng shooting dito ng Pampanga Delta. Hirap na hirap sila. Pero dito sa depensa naman, kailangan nilang bantayan itong hustle. Ison against Doral. A speed mismatch there in my switch. Baseline jumper is good para dito kay Tumalim.
Very patient tong James Ison, ha? Nakita niya yung open man for hustle.
At ang galing niya, Coach Den, hindi niya pinansin yung switch, di ba?
Yes.
Inatake lang niya. Speaking of atake, bawi naman doon agad si Francis de la Cruz. Gazingan from his range. Yan ang tunay na laro ni Alexandre Gazingan.
Remember, Enzo, yan yung bumitaw pa ng last long shot niya na parang mid-court.
Totoo.
Finals ng Letran
Yes.
against Perpetual.
Yun yung dagger nila eh, sa half court. Yan talagang tunay na laro nito ni Alexandre Gazingan as Ison open na open. Back-to-back threes para dito sa hustle. Mainit, Coach Den.
Oh, yung Ison, yan din ang laro niya sa Binild, ha?
Parehong lineup, star-studded talaga, no, Coach? Kaya maganda eh. Ganda ng matchup natin. Dural at the post against Gazingan. Hinahanap si Bautista. Fricks on the cut. Wala yun. Tumalim, tumatakbo. Nur all the way. Good defense by Vergara. Pero that'll be a foul on Christian. 2 free throws mabibigay dito kay Nur Tumalim. Substitutions on the floor. Babalik ito si Navarro, Dungo at Pangilinan for Pampangas. Tingnan natin itong napakagandang atake ni Nur Tumalim. O, kita-kita nga yung contact doon ni Christian Vergara. Coach din, no? Yung nagpapa-shoutout. Kilala mo to? Pa-shoutout daw kay Tristan Tubangi. At shoutout din daw yung FB page niya, ang Double T11. Follow nyo po yun. Double T, of course. Tristan, good luck sa next game nyo
Next
bukas.
game.
Nanonood, Coach, parang sinusuportahan ka.
Parang sino kaya sinusuportan? Palagay ko si Enzo.
Sa akin nag-message na hindi sa'yo.
Oo.
Tristan, tatama si Coach din, no? Dungo, down by 10 itong Pampanga for the first time in this tournament. Dungo, the floater, wala yun. Vergara try to keep it alive. Here comes Miranda. Dwayne hesitated to shoot, kicks it out. Ison, the pull-up. Short nga lang, but he gets it back. Yung palang gusto.
Ayaw niya sa una. Gusto niya floater.
May sumabay pang Dural doon, coach, ha?
Oo, ang laki na. Ang laki ng depensa niya doon.
For the first time, itong Pampanga Delta Pradera Theme Park find themselves down by double figures. 12 points as Navarro foul dito by Datumalim on the hop step. Jaden Datumalim with the foul. At tingnan natin to. Ison follows his own shot. Flips it up and in over Dural's head. Hindi makapaniwala doon itong si Charles Dural. Doyce from the outside. Off the mark. And grabe itong Basti Reyes. Coach din, no?
Oo, talagang nag-step up sa larong to. Hanggang matapos siguro, maganda ilalaro niyan.
Pag tinignan mo din kasi yung lineup nitong Hassel na coach din as a foul is whistled here on Navarro. Challenging kompetente. Pag tinignan mo rin yung lineup ng Hassel ngayong araw, coach din eh. Si Basti Reyes lang talaga yung legit na sentro nila.
Yes.
Diba?
Oh. So, siguro nakita niya, walang papalit sa kanya. Kaya nag-step up talaga siya. Yung mindset niya for this game.
Renzo kompetente. There was the foul. Shooting foul. Navarro na huli dun. Natamaan ito si kompetente. A former Batang Gilas 16 under player. Kompetente together with guys like Andy Gimao and of course Calum Harris. Standout dun. Itong si kompetente, former Red Cub. Now going to play for the UST Growling Tigers. Tingnan nila natin mga referees kung 3 ba yun o 2. Sabi nila 3. 3 free throws for Renzo Kompetente. Knocks down the first one. Napaka-talented nitong bata na to, coach din, no?
Oh,
Sino naalala mo na player para sa kanya?
Compare natin sa mga dating players. Parang ano to, mga Jeff Chan ang datingan, di ba?
Pareho tayo na sinabi.
Mga lefty shooter,
Talented pa na scorer, no?
scorer talaga.
Of course, kompetente. Sa UST nagpunta si Jeff Chan sa FEU.
Yun nga lang.
Oo. Pero still, di ba, yung talent nito ni kompetente. Tsaka, ang maganda sa kanya, coach din, pag maalat ang shooting niya, di ba, kukuha siya ng rebound. Yung
Yes.
little things. And yun yung dapat matutunan ng mga kabataan ngayon.
Yes. Tapos, he tries to attack the basket pagka malas siya sa outside shooting niya.
Dito naman sa Pampanga Delta, medyo hirap talaga silang makabutas dito. At si Coach Jay Sierra and Coach Pepet Duyag trying to find the right combination of players. Ito Navarro at the post against his teammate sa Letran. And Navarro just forces that one up and draws the foul. Ito naman, Coach Den. Itong si Jolo Navarro, napaka-talented. Last year, shared the floor with Basti, George Diamante. Pero one of the quality minutes to ni Coach Allen Ricardo. Grabe yung pag pinasok tong si Navarro, kahit nakaupo si Diamante, parang akala mo walang pinagbago sa effectiveness for Letran Squires.
Alam nila yung role nila sa team. So, kaya ganun ang mga nilalaro nila. Kung sino yung may time pumasok, talagang quality minutes.
One of the stars talaga for the Letran Squires. Si Navarro. And kita mo naman yung katawan, coach din, no? Laki. Para sa bata.
So, nung natanggap niya yung bola sa post, nakita niya yung mismatch against Alex Gasingan.
Nanlaki siguro mata niya, no? Coach din. Kita niya, kakampi ko to sa Letran, no? Mabangga
Oh,
nga.
yes.
Dwayne, the kick out, kompetente, three-pointer off the mark. Even the rebounding, hirap itong Pampanga Delta as a jumper is made. Galing dito kay Monteroso. One of the new players dito ng Hustle Rising Suns as Dugo. Wow! Mintis nga lang, but andun si Pangilinan for the putback. 14-point lead for Hustle. Miranda. Dadaan sa screen, gives it to Basti. And yan yung favorite shot ni Basti, yung shortstop na yan.
Oh, ang ganda ng pocket pass ni Dwayne Miranda doon.
FEU to Letran. Here's Dungo. Against Basti Reyes. Doy has the speed advantage, but bibigay niya dito kay Navarro. Jolo. Swings it to JP. Pangilinan. Siya naman ang floater, wala nga lang yun. Pampanga is in shambles offensively right now. Gazingan attacks, Gazingan no go. Matakbo si Navarro, gives it to Malonzo. Malonzo, oh, what a block by Basti! And wala rin yung putback ni Navarro. Up and down we go. Who will get a basket? Miranda pulls up. Wala pa rin yun.
Ang ganda ng transition defense ng Hassel doon, ha, pero hindi naka-convert.
Totoo. Ito Navarro. Just muscles his way through. Pero kita mo yung frustration, coach, din kay Navarro. Malapitan na. Kahit sabi mo may foul doon kay Gazingan,
Yes.
kaya niyang i-make yun eh.
Oh, sorry miss ni Navarro yun. Ngayon, subukan niya sa free throw line.
Kita natin ating lakas assist of the quarter brought to you by SM South Mall. Beautiful pocket pass galing kay Dwayne Miranda. Jolo Navarro, the free throw line. Misses on the first one and nagsisettle down na sa kanila sa Pampanga Delta yung frustration sa mga batang to. And kailangan nilang matutunan yan, no, coach, din yung composure under pressure, di ba?
Yes, tsaka most coaches yan ang sinasabi. Yung mga free throw, importante yan.
Second free throw is good para dito kay Navarro. As Jogjog Moral comes in. The pride of Porac, Pampanga, is now on the floor. Another explosive score for Coach Jay Sierra. Dudukot na siya ng magic bunot dito to energize his offense. A good defense there by Malonzo. Pero kompetente kahit anong depensa pa daw yan, Coach Den.
Oh, yan yung sinasabi mong pagmala siya sa outside niya, he attacks the basket.
Ang hirap din ng tira na yun, ha? Turn around, tapos make heavy defense pa.
Yes, yes.
Dungo attacks the basket. Dungo hangs in midair. What a denial there by Competente. Renzo attacks, puts it up. He'll shoot to the line for two. Ito yung na-miss ko sa mga Hassel fans eh. Yung energy ng mga Hassel fans.
Dinadala yung pangalan ng team.
Kahit yung fans, no? Hassel din. Pero ito namang fans ng Pampanga Delta Paradero Team Park, nag-aabang, no, coach din. Nag-aabang sila ng rason para sumabog at mag-cheer. Kasi pahirapan dito para sa Pampanga Delta. And ito yung isa sa mga nagpapahirap sa kanila. Etong si Renzo Competente.
Itong Renzo, mukhang ready for college na talaga.
Yes.
Sa nilalaro niya.
Taj Padilla, papalitan muna itong si Alexandre Gazingan. Letran Squire to Letran Squire ang palitan, ha. Ito another Squire. Navarro hands it off. Ray Green Archer. Navarro adjusts in mid-air. Grabe naman yung finish na yun.
Grabing galawan.
Napakita ni Navarro yung talent niya eh. Dwayne splits the defense. Scoop shot short. Navarro gives it over to Dungo. Doyce, the Euro, the floater is good para dito kay Andre Dungo. We can see his father there in attendance as Basti. Nanlaki mata na si Chog Moral na nasa ilalim.
Kaya nga. He took the advantage. Malit yung bantay.
Tumatakbo na naman tong hustle after the steal. Padilla with the left hand.
Nakita mo doon, palitan ng skills tong Dungo tsaka Padilla.
Chog, the spin, the drop off. Beautiful dime galing dito kay Moral going over to Pangilinan. Still a 16-point lead para dito sa panig ng hustle. Miranda all the way to the basket. What a quarter para dito sa hustle. As Padilla fouls itong si Moral and there might be some extra motion galing dito kay Chog Moral.
So nakita natin yung referee. Mukhang may re-review sila.
Nakita. Kita agad. Tatlong referee, no, Coach Den. Agad-agad pumito after
Yes,
nangyari.
nakita nila.
Of course,
Hintayin
titingnan
natin
nila.
yung review.
Yes. 1 minute and 13 seconds ang natitira dito sa ating second quarter. Tingnan natin. Ang ganda ng depensa ni Padilla, but yun nga lang nakahawak siya sa bewang ni Moral. Doon tinawag yung initial foul. And then may nangyari pa after the whistle was blown. The referee still talking it over. Chog Moral. The one in question doon sa play na yun. Our referee is going over to our arena announcer, Ram Valid. Ano kayang decision nila? Still discussing it over there. Minute and 13 natitira sa ating second quarter wherein itong Hustle Rising Suns for most of this game, Coach Den, lamang talaga.
Oh, they dominated the first quarter, tsaka itong second quarter, may 1 minute 13 seconds pa tayo.
Foul on number 24, Pads Padilla. That's his first unsportsmanlike foul on number 10, Chog Moral.
So yun ang decisions, Coach Den, ng ating referees. Ito yung foul ni Padilla. This was the reach-in foul kanina. Yun, nakaakap siya kay Moral. And then after, yun yung unsportsmanlike foul ni Moral.
Second motion.
Sakto sa mukha ni Pads eh. And, nagkatinginan lang yung dalawa. Wala na after that. Then yung two free throws ni Moral dahil penalty na nga parehong kupunan. Tapos pupunta yung bola dito kay Padilla to shoot those two free throws na unsportsmanlike.
So unsportsmanlike, so ball possession ng
Hustle din
Hustle
na
after
dito.
the free throws.
Two free throws for Padilla plus ball possession because of the unsportsmanlike foul ni Chog Moral. And Coach Jay Shera was not happy dun sa foul na yun ni Moral. Spads misses the first free throw. Rare miss from a guy who shot well from the free throw line in this past NCAA Season 99 Juniors Division. He missed both. Na-jinx ko na naman.
Nabati mo, Enzo.
Lagi na lang, Coach. Huwag ko na lang kaya banggitin yung mga lagi na lang nababati. So you can see Coach Philip Gary, the assistant coach, the Hustle Rising Suns on your screens. The Chicago native. Padilla went empty from the free throw line. One-on-one against Malonzo Padilla. Scoops it up and in!
Grabing galaw naman yan kay Pads Padilla.
Grabe yung talent ni Padilla, no, Coach Den. Tapos yun, may hustle pa. As Moral hangs in mid-air, short for Chog. But he cleans up his own miss right there. Dinaan sa sipag ni Chog Moral.
Yes.
Rob Monteroso gets called for his first personal foul. Chog Moral, the pride of Porac, Pampanga, an elite scorer. After 2 games of absence para dito sa Pampanga Delta Pradera Team Park, is now back in the lineup. He will finally showcase his talents dito. 2 for 2 para dito kay Chog. Borgie Riguera comes into the ball game. Back on the floor, should I say. More floor spacing for Hustle dahil andyan sa floor si Miranda, Competente, Padilla, and Reguera.
Grabe ang 5 nakapasok ng Hustle dito, Enzo.
Kailangan talagang mag-shape up ng defense ng Pampangas. Good defense right there by Francis De La Cruz on Competente. Francis on the run. Good drop pass papunta kay Pangilinan. Unti-unti na itong Pampanga Delta ang kalamangan. Borgie from the outside, too strong. Moral with the board. 21 seconds natitira. Chog na, tabi ka ni Borgie. Nawala pa yung bola sa kanila. Competente. Puts it up. Sobra yun. Dungo fighting against Padilla for the ball. 6 seconds to work with. And yun nga lang, dribbling infraction na ipitok dito kay Padilla. Look at that, the assistant coaches ng Pampanga Delta screaming at their players na gumising na daw on both ends of the floor. They're currently down. Talking about Pampanga Delta, down by 16 with 4.5 seconds. Coach Den, for Pampanga, eto na siguro yung worst first half nila sa buong tournament, di ba?
Yes, most of the games nila, lamang sila lagi eh. Kahit sino yung teams na nakakalaban nila. Pero alam naman natin, hindi naman bibitaw yan basta-basta.
Totoo. Kanina nakita natin, ang ganda na nilaro ng mga 23 under nila, yung mga kuya nila, di ba?
Yes.
Kailangan gumising sila para makip pa rin naman nila. Kasi sa team standings natin, Coach Den, para yung Pampanga Delta team, yung Royce Hotel Casino sa 23 under, and ngayong Pradera Team Park dito sa 19 under natin, para yung undefeated, di ba?
Oo.
Sure mag-aasaran yung dalawang sino
Yes,
una matatalo.
hindi papayag yung 19 under na magkaroon ng listahan ng talo yan. Sigurado babalik yan sa second half.
Totoo, but para naman, sa Pampanga Delta, this is their worst first half offensively and defensively. Sa Hustle Rising Suns naman, bar none, ito yung best first half nila, both offense and defense, no, Coach Den?
Yes, makita mo, nag-step up bawat players ng Hustle sa defense at offense nila. So, kaya nakikita natin na ahead sila ngayon.
At siyempre, Coach Den, siyempre, with 4.5 seconds, pwedeng i-end nitong Pampanga Delta yung half with a basket and get a little bit of momentum entering the second half. Dahil 2 halves ang basketball, pwede sila mag-adjust sa second half. Moral to inbound. They give it to Doy. Dungo. The swing to the corner. Malonzo short on the three-point attempt. Good play na sana and good look. Hindi lang pumasok for James Malonzo. And that ends this wild first half of action. Etong Hustle Rising Suns. Talagang nagpapakita ng matinding liwanag dito sa first half natin. Both on offense and defense, pinapahirapan itong undefeated Pampanga Delta Pradera Team Park as we see some of these second quarter highlights. And Coach Den, for sure, maraming pag-uusapan ang parehong head coaches dito. For Pampanga, anong adjustment nila para ma-cut down yung lead? Dito naman sa Hustle, paano ma-maintain yung lead?
Yes, yes. So, mukhang adjustment on defense for Delta. Tapos yung Hustle naman, paano masustain yung magandang nilalaro ng mga players nila.
Yun nga, malalaman natin as this battle of teams on a different direction, on a uphill, downhill. Itong Hustle Rising Suns, mukhang sila ay papunta na uphill, but malalaman natin ang resulta dito after the end of our game. Siyempre, ito po ang ating halftime score, 55-39 in favor of the Hustle Rising Suns. Tutok lang po mga kasinag at magbabalik tayo dito sa Sinag Liga Asia Junior World Showcase Philippines Born 2004 Division.
Sublimation Company. For a long time, we have evolved by proving quality and top-notch products for our customers. The design jerseys are carefully examined and printed in a quality machine that produces a fast printing, the biggest machine in the printing industry. In the sewing section, all the sewing experts use quality thread, needles and machine to make the product good-looking and durable. We customize clothing and sportswear in full sublimation. What are you waiting? Visit us now.
What is up mga kasinag? It is the Chief Enzo Galaros at andirito po tayo for the SLA Inspire Sinag Liga Asia Basketball Clinic in partnership with Leap Basketball PH. Liga na!
Go, ready, stretching.
Unang-una, talagang mag-enjoy yung mga bata. Tapos pangalawa na lang dun yung pagde-develop sa kanila kasi makuha lang natin sila na mag-enjoy, maglaro ng basketball hanggang sa pagtanda. Mission success na tayo doon. Kaya by doing this, talagang grateful kami sa SLA family na talagang nagdala sila ng 75 or plus na mga bata para mag-enjoy at matuto.
Ang dami nag-i-invite sa atin para sa ganitong basketball clinic sa mga lugar-lugar kung saan pupunta ang Sinag Liga Asia para sa buong Pilipinas, sa buong barangay. Sinag Liga Asia, asahan niyo po kami na tutulong kami, pati po ang SLA Legend. Abangan niyo mamaya yan, maglalaro sila. Kaya napakaswerte natin kasi General Ronald Lee, kahit na very busy, naisip niya itong basketball clinic na to para sa Bawang, La Union. Para po sa lahat ng makapanood nito, sakay na para sa Sinag Liga Asia.
Dapat hindi matapos dito ngayon. Kailangan tuloy-tuloy yung programa natin. Yun ang pinakamaganda dyan. Siyempre, sa tulong ni General Lee, mga ganitong mga basketball clinic at tulong ng SLA at ng LIP, ituloy natin ang programa para sa mga kabataan.
Two claps! Two claps! Okay, go, water break. Thank you kay General Lee and sa mga tao na nag-organize ng event na to. I believe na madami pang magiging kasunod to, hindi lang dito sa Bawang La Union, kundi sa buong parte ng Pilipinas. Kaya please keep on supporting Sinag Liga Asia and LIP Basketball PH para malay nyo next time, dyan naman kami sa mga lugar nyo.
At yan po mga kasinag, dyan na po magtatapos ang ating Sinag Liga Asia Inspire Basketball Clinic in collaboration with LIP Basketball PH. Tutok lang po kayo kung saan kami susunod nang magbibigay inspirasyon sa mga kabataan. Once again, ako po si Enzo Galarosa of Sinag Liga Asia. We are one.
J Project Clothing Shop, Premium Fabric. We customized, quality printing. Makers of quality uniform. J Project Clothing Shop, Premium Fabric. We customized, quality printing. Makers of quality uniform.
Sobrang bilis ba? Yan ang bilis ng FiberX. Yan ang internet.
Sa unang subo hanggang huli, parang kisa aking pisngi. Kain love, love talaga, kahit di sabihin. Feel na love kami. Kain love, love talaga.
J Project Clothing Shop has been a sublimation company for a long time. We have evolved by proving quality and top-notch products for our customers. The design jerseys are carefully examined and printed in a quality machine that produces a fast printing, the biggest machine in the printing industry. In the sewing section, all the sewing experts use quality thread, needles and machine to make the product good-looking and durable. We customize clothing and sportswear in full sublimation. What are you waiting? Visit us now.
What is up mga kasinag? It is the Chief Enzo Galarosa at andirito po tayo for the SLA Inspire Sinag Liga Asia Basketball Clinic in partnership with LIP Basketball PH. Sige ka na!
Go, ready, stretching.
Unang-una, talagang mag-enjoy yung mga bata. Tapos pangalawa na lang dun yung pagde-develop sa kanila kasi makuha lang natin sila na mag-enjoy, maglaro ng basketball hanggang sa pagtanda. Mission success na tayo doon. Kaya by doing this, talagang grateful kami sa SLA family na talagang nagdala sila ng 75 or plus na mga bata para mag-enjoy at matuto.
Ang dami nag-invite sa atin para sa ganitong basketball clinic sa mga lugar-lugar kung saan pupunta ang Sinag Liga Asia para sa buong Pilipinas, sa buong barangay. Sinag Liga Asia, asahan niyo po kami na tutulong kami, pati po ang SLA Legend. Abangan niyo mamaya yan, maglalaro sila. Kaya napakaswerte natin kasi General Ronald Lee, kahit na very busy, naisip niya itong basketball clinic na to para sa Bawang La Union. Para po sa lahat ng makapanood nito, sakay na para sa Sinag Liga Asia.
Dapat hindi matapos dito ngayon. Kailangan tuloy-tuloy yung programa natin. Yan ang pinakamaganda dyan. Siyempre, Sa tulong din ni General Lee, mga ganitong mga basketball clinic at tulong ng SLA at ng LIP, ituloy natin ang programa para sa mga kabataan.
2 claps! 2 claps! Okay, go, water break.
Thank you kay General Lee and sa mga tao na nag-organize ng event na to. I believe na madami pang magiging kasunod to, hindi lang dito sa Bawang La Union, kundi sa buong parte ng Pilipinas. Kaya please keep on supporting Sinag Liga Asia and LIP Basketball PH para malay nyo next time, dyan naman kami sa mga lugar niyo.
At yan po mga kasinag, dyan na po magtatapos ang ating Sinag Liga Asia Inspire Basketball Clinic in collaboration with LIP Basketball PH. Tutok lang po kayo kung saan kami susunod nang magbibigay inspirasyon sa mga kabataan. Once again, ako po si Enzo Galarosa of Sinag Liga Asia. We are one.
J Project Clothing Shop, Premium Fabric. We customized, quality printing. Makers of quality uniform. J Project Clothing Shop, Premium Fabric. We customized, quality printing. Makers of quality uniform.
Sobrang bilis ba? Yan ang bilis ng FiberX. Yan ang internet.
Sa unang subo hanggang huli, parang kisa aking pisngi. Kain love, love talaga. Kahit di sabihin, feel na love kami. Kain love, love talaga.
Good evening mga kasinag. Before we continue to the second half of our game, I am here today with Coach Pepet Duyag of Pampanga Delta Pradera Team Park and Coach Christine Dela Cruz for the Hustle Rising Suns for our halftime interview. Now, for you, Coach Pepet, since this is considered a home court game for you, meron po bang extra motivation sa team nyo to play in Pampanga, especially also against a Pampanga-based team?
Siguro, home court namin, expect namin mas didiin yung mga bata. Pero kasalukuyan sa nilalaro ng hustle, tama yung pangalan nila, naka-out-hustle nila lahat kami. Start from sa depensa, out-hustle kami sa rebound, mas maraming turnovers. So siguro itong third quarter, i-try namin babalik. Sana magawa ng mga bata yung adjustment namin sa depensa para matawid namin itong panalo. Tsaka siguro kulang lang itong mga bata kasi tsaka galing din naglaro yung ibang mga player. So sana makabawi kami itong halftime.
Ngayon po, Coach, baka may mga gusto po kayong pasalamatan at batiin.
Binabati ko po unang-unang lahat ang aming buting governor po. Si Governor Dennis Delta po, si Vice Mayor Nanay po, Vice Governor Nanay Pineda po, si Ma'am Maylin Pineda Kayabyab po, si Ma'am Mayora Esme po ng Lubao, Vice Mayor JBM, Mayor Philip po ng Minalin, at saka po yung mga Kapampangan na wala sawang sumusuporta sa basketball, lalong-lalo na dito sa team namin sa Pradera, Team Delta po. Thank you po.
Ngayon po for you, Coach Christine, same question. Since this is considered po also as a home court game for you, meron po bang extra motivation sa team nyo na naglalaro po ko ngayon sa Pampanga and against also a Kapampangan team?
Meron naman extra motivation. It helps na we're just here around Pampanga. So, yung mga players namin, hindi sila pagod. Pero yung meron kami kasing mga players na from Manila kanina, they're they have played sa PhilOil, sa ibang liga. So, kailangan talaga nila din mag-effort papunta dito so that they can play this game. So, ang motivation namin is small market team kami. We can be considered as a small market team, privately fund kami. So, gusto namin ipakita na kahit privately owned, hindi kami funded, well-funded, pero kaya namin lumaban. Yan.
Ayun po, Coach, I'm giving you the opportunity po to greet and thank anyone you would like.
Good afternoon po muna sa lahat and sa mga Kapampangan. Actually, marami sa amin na iba-iba kasi kami. May mga Cebuano, Kapampangan, Tagalog, Taga-Bataan. So, nagpapasalamat din kami sa mga magulang ng mga hustle players na nagsasakripisyo din sa amin para po maka-attend yung mga players namin dito sa Pampanga, and also sa mga parents sa Cebu. Ano po, kamusta po kayo dyan? Yung mga anak nyo po dito kasi we have stay-in players also in our training facility. So, kinakamusta po namin kayo dyan sa Cebu.
Thank you, Coach. And that is it for our halftime interview brought to you by CDO. Now back to you, Enzo and Coach Den.
Thank you so much, Francine. And also, thank you so much to Coach Pet Duyag, the assistant coach of Pampanga Delta. And also to Coach Christine De La Cruz, the assistant coach of Hustle Rising Suns, as her team is actually up 55-39 at the half kontra dito sa top-seeded Pampanga Delta. Kami pa rin po inyong makasama, Enzo Galarosa and Coach Den Bautista. And Coach Den, in that first half, ika nga nasabi ni Coach Pet Duyag na out-hustle itong Pampanga ng Hustle Rising Suns. Ano pa ba mga adjustments ang kailangan gawin muna sa panig ng Hustle Rising Suns para makip nila itong kalamangan na to?
Siguro sa hustle, kailangan ituloy nila yung hustle nila sa defense, tapos try to convert yung offense nila sa ano naman, sa kabilang team naman, sa Delta. Siguro tama yung observation ng mga coaches nila na out-hustle sila. So alam natin na magba-bounce back sila sa second half. So, mag-adjust sila sa less turnovers nila, tapos maka-convert nila yung mga shots nila.
Coach Den, in turnover story nga natin, 5 turnovers lang para sa Hustle in the entire first half. 11 na ang turnovers na itong Pampanga Delta. Napakalaki ng disparity na a 6 turnover disparity, which led to 10 turnover points galing dito sa Hustle. As we can see itong halftime stats natin. Shooting, mas lamang itong Pampanga Delta. Rebounds, pantay lang. Pero tingnan natin itong fast break points, Coach Den, 19-10.
Yes. Itong fast break natin, yan yung result ng turnovers ng Delta. So, makita natin, turnovers na convert ng Hustle team into points.
Yes. Dami nga, di ba? 11 turnovers, tas 19 fast break points. As we can see, itong mga leading scores natin for Pampanga Delta Pradera team partner being led by Doy Dungo with 9 points, Pangilinan with 8 together with Navarro, and Francis De La Cruz with 4 off the bench. Para naman sa panig ng Hustle Rising Suns, 2 players actually leads all scores. It's Basti Reyes and Renzo Competente with 11 points each. Dwayne Miranda with 10 points and Pads Padilla with 6 points din. So, tingnan natin, Coach Den, kasi laging pag second half, nag-iiba mismo yung mga laro ng mga teams, di ba? Tingnan natin, lalong-lalo na sa panig ng Hustle kasi in their last 2 ball games, medyo sa dulo sila nabibitin, di ba?
Yes. Nakita mo, Enzo, 3 na sa players ng Hustle ang double digit na kagad.
Totoo.
Just for the first half.
And malaking bagay yun, ibig sabihin, kalat na yung scoring sa kanila. For Pampanga naman, wala pa. Normally, meron na laging isa dyan o dalawa eh.
Tama ka dyan.
Ito, Doy slides to the corner, 3-pointer. Good sign and good start para dito kay Andre Dungo in this second half. Down to 13 ang kalamangan ng Hustle. Padilla thought about the 3-pointer. Miranda to Competente. Renzo has yet to hit a 3-point shot in this quarter, in this game. 0 for 5 so far. Oh, good defense right there by Navarro. Moral on the other end and Chog with an easy layup.
That's a quick 5 points for Delta.
And 11 na lang, Coach din, ha? In a blink of an eye, kayang gawin niya ng Pampanga Delta. So, kailangan ng Hustle. Kagaya nga nasabi ni Coach Christine De La Cruz kanina, huwag tigilan yung pag-hustle nila. As a foul is whistled right here. Chog Moral ang napituhan. Competente again, 0 for 5 on the 3-point line. As tingnan natin itong layup kanina ni Chog Moral. Beautiful layup. Para that 5-0 mini run ng Pampanga Del to start off. Pero Pads Padilla answers with a 3. 9 points now for Padilla.
Kitang-kita, hindi pa tapos yung Pads Padilla.
Pinapakita lang niya ang mga stars. Hindi lang naman daw yung Manalili ang star ng Letran at Diamante. May Pads Padilla pa pala daw sila.
Yes, tama ka Enzo.
Off the mark yung tres doon ni Dungo. Malonzo keeps it alive. James goes over to Pangilinan. JP from the outside. Too strong for Pangilinan. Padilla on the open floor. Titirahan si Navarro dito. Wala nga lang yun. Dungo against Competente. Doy try to make his move against Renzo. Dungo, ho! Took out his do-it-yourself kit there.
Ibang gumalaw talaga yung Andre Dungo. Enzo.
Smooth na smooth, no, Coach Den?
Oo.
Basti. Yan ang pinaka-ina-improve ng tira niya talaga, no, Coach Den? Dungo misses. Pangilinan with the offensive rebound. Put back, wala pa rin for Joseph. So the struggle continues from the field para dito kay Joseph Pangilinan in his home floor of Bacolor. Miranda against Malonzo. Miranda kicks it to Padilla. One dribble pull-up. No go. Moral with the board. Chog natapigan dito ni Padilla. Dungo. The up fake. Good drop off pero much better defense from behind. Pero napunta lang kay Dungo and the basket's good for Doy. Inuunti-unti ng Pampanga Delta, Coach Den. And ito yung kinakatakutan ng Hassel coaches, no?
Yes. Itong Dungo mukhang itong first 5 minutes ng third quarter, binubuhat ng Dungo yung team niya.
As Dungo fires the 3. Off the mark, tapigan ng bola. Pangilinan taps it over to Malonzo. Back to JP. Sobra nga lang yung layup, but they keep it alive. Moral, one-legged shot, wala pa rin para sa Pampanga. Padilla, double behind the back. They give it to the Tumalim. Miranda will set a play. 12 seconds sa kanilang shot clock. Oh, good defense right there by Chog. Open si Competente. Renzo leans forward, draws the foul. Is it gonna be on Dungo or Navarro? What a move galing dito kay Competente. It's on Andre Dungo. Scorer na scorer tong Competente, no?
Yes,
If I'm not mistaken, no, Coach Den, itong Competente is the leading scorer of Hustle Rising Suns dito sa 19 under. Kitang-kita na angat siya sa competition niya. Ready for the college ranks na talaga. But, siyempre may mga questions pa sa laro niya. Of course, yung 3-point shooting niya, 0 for 5 siya sa ngayon, di ba?
Yes. Kailangan maging consistent pa siya pagdating niya sa college. Ibang level na rin ng competition sa college ngayon. UAP or NCAA yan. Mabigat na competition.
Ito nga, makakalaban din niya sa UAAP. Itong si Andre Dungo. Yun nga lang, yan yung next level din for Dungo. Nasabi natin kay Competente, kailangan niya maging consistent sa 3-point line, sa shooting niya. Itong kay Andre Dungo, napakahusay na point guard na ito. Maraming beses siya muntik mag-triple-double sa UAAP for UST Tiger Cubs. Ngayon na maglalaro siya sa Lasal, na iba na yung magiging takbo ng opensa. At iba din yung magiging mga kalaban niya, yung bilis ng depensa na Coach Ben.
Yes,
kailangan mas mabilis yung decision making.
Yes, tapos magiging iba rin yung role niya dahil mas intact yung lineup ng Lasal.
Totoo. Andun yung MVP na si Kiambao. Of course, Pampanga Delta player pride ng Pampanga. Policarpio, di ba nandun din? Daming mahusay dun. So, ang daming mga learning points dito para sa mga bata na naglalaro. Kasi ito, Doy. Misfires again from the outside. Look at Navarro try to keep it alive. Bitin din yung layup doon ni Pangilinan.
Sorry miss kay Pangilinan yan, Enzo.
Oh, when you see the reaction from his Kuya Migs there, kamot ulo si Migs Pangilinan. That would have been an easy 2 points na for JP. Miranda attacks the defense.
Ayun naman.
Eto sleeper pick ko sa UAAP, coach din for
Oo,
FEU, di ba?
oo.
So sabi nga niya, marami pa daw siyang ibang offer, but as of now, FEU pa rin daw ang home niya. Pero may pinag-iisipan pa daw siyang other schools. As Chog floats it up and in. Good move galing dito kay Chog Moral. Kita natin, idol natin coach din.
Idol, Boss Ray.
Yes. As a miss there for Hustle, medyo nanlalamig na yung Hustle, coach din sa field. Di nga, kaya bang makapitalize to ng Pampanga Delta in this quarter? 13 na lang kanilang hinahabol.
Yan yung sinasabi ng coaches nila, adjustment. So, mukhang nakakapag-adjust na sila.
Yan na nga yung pick and pop ni Pangilinan and Dungo. Can that wake up? Itong si Joseph Pangilinan as he hits his first 3-point shot of the game dito. With that pick and pop, ang ating lakas shot of the quarter brought to you by CDO Food Spear Food that brings you home. Doyce to JP. Two former Tiger Cubs connecting there. At nababa nila ang kalamangan sa 10 puntos dito, 63-53.
Sobrang bilis ba? Yan ang bilis ng FiberX. Yan ang internet.
Take a look at the huddle dito ng Pampanga Delta Pradera Team Park. Coach Jay Shera trying to map out some plays here, but they're being carried right now by Andre Dungo. 16 points, 2 rebounds, 3 assists. Regular day in the office. No, coach din para sa kanya in terms of numbers, pero pahirapan niya ginagawa. Kagaya niya, no, walang libreng tira eh.
Yes, yes. May depensa siya pero nakaka-create siya ng open shots.
Pakita lang yung skill niya talaga, no, coach din.
Pinapakita na ready na siya to play for next level competition talaga.
Of course, he was the third placer last year sa UAAP Juniors MVP voting. Number 4 overall in the high school ranks. Itong si Andre Dungo. Padilla. Sabi ni Padilla, dapat may numero din siya doon sa high school ranking na yun, coach din.
Oh, sabi niya, hindi lang Dungo ang nasa listahan.
Yun, doon ako nagtatakay. Bakit wala si Pads Padilla doon sa numero na yun? Andun yung Diamante, andun yung Manalili, di ba?
Yes.
Pero Padilla wala doon sa numbers na yun. And actually ako, dapat nandun siya.
Yes, yes. Tama ka dyan. Kung skill level ang pinag-uusapan, yan ang mga iniidolo ng mga bata ngayon na nanonood.
Ano naman yung smooth nung jumper, no? Well balanced. At napakahirap nun gawin, ha? Sa mga sabing madali lang yun, mahirap po yun. Lalo na kung full speed kang titigil. Ito na naman si Pads. Same side kung saan nakascore siya. Padilla will work the pick and roll. Kicks it to James. 6 seconds on the shot clock na itong Hustle. Ison. Oh, good block right there by Doral. At naputokan na ng 24 tong Hustle Rising Suns. Sinasabi ni Ison, dapat bola na nila. Bola daw nila dapat, pero dahil shot clock, hindi na nila bola yun.
Yes, yes. Tama ka dyan.
Ken Pampanga capitalize on some good defense right there. Navarro. Dungo wants it against a mismatch right now. Dungo throws it up. No foul call. Basti gives it to Ison. James thought about the 3. Padilla going ISO again. Padilla drops it off to the wrong man. Here comes Chog. Ison to beat and Moral draws the foul. And Chog, pero hindi counted yung tira na yun. Ito yung nagugulat karamihan, coach din. Itong Chog Moral. na ang talented na scorer pero wala pang eskwelahan na pinaglalaroan, di ba?
Yes, yes. Alam mo, Enzo, kasi yung mga coaches sa mga schools, kanya-kanyang type ng player yan eh. Di ba? So, baka hindi pa siya nakikita kung ano yung kaya niyang ibigay sa team nila.
Totoo. Basti Reyes, well-deserved rest para sa kanya. Navarro double team, kicks it out to Doy. Up fake, Euro step. That'll be 2 free throws para dito kay Andre Dungo. May ngumingiti Alex Gazingan gets his 3rd personal foul of the game. Andre Dungo, the pride of San Simon, Pampanga. A mythical 5-member ng season 98 sa NCAA Juniors and then lumipat siya sa UAAP, sa UST. Mythical 5 din.
Yes,
Coach Den,
galing
diba?
siya sa San Beda Program Juniors, tapos dinala niya sa UST, yung skills niya.
Ngayon naman, sa Lasal naman niya
Ngayon,
dadalhin,
ililipat naman niya.
Sabi, napaka-talented nito ni Andre Dungo. Pero yun nga, yung talent niya na papakita ngayon, pero kailangan mag-step up ng mga teammates niya para tulungan siya ng Coach Den. Kasi dito sa Hassel, sama-sama eh.
Yes. Tsaka alam mo naman, Enzo, sa team, dapat talaga tulong-tulong yan.
Yes. As Dungo attacks, Dungo puts it up, no go. Dural with the putback. Sinag Liga Asia champion in the inaugural season. Itong si Charles Dural with the putback right there. Down to 8 points ang hinahabol dito ng Pampanga Delta. Padilla hangs. No good nga lang.
Ang hirap na tira nun, Enzo,
Medyo humigpit na rin yung depensa kay Padilla na Coach Den. As Pangilinan, short. Moral with her offensive board. Nabitawan nga lang. Here's Alexandre. Gazingan on the run. Layup sobra lang. That will be a foul dito on Rob Monteroso. 3rd personal foul ni Monteroso yan sa ating laro. Dwayne Miranda babalik na. Upo muna itong si Rob Monteroso. As Borgie Reguera also comes back in.
Itong bagong pasok, Enzo, pareha sa 2nd generation player.
Yes. Coach Denok and Coach Paul Reguera.
Yes.
As traveling yun, kitang-kita for JP. Sinasabi nila Coach Jay Sierra, tira na dapat yun ni JP. Coach Jay asking pleading the referees for something there. Referees will give him a warning, I think. It is, a warning for continuous complaining. There's another FEU legend, yan si Coach Jay Sierra.
Yes, oo.
Kagaya na, of course, FEU coach, former FEU coach si Coach JR De La Cruz ng Hassel Rising Sun. So, yung mga lineage na coach
ano yan? Ang alam ko, magka-batch yan eh.
Oo.
Pang-abot yan.
Pang-abot sila.
Coach JR De La Cruz tsaka Jay Sierra.
And siyempre, Arvid Santos din.
Yes, tsaka yung Denok Miranda.
Denok Miranda, yun.
Hindi pwedeng mawala yung Denok Miranda. Yung time nila.
Yes. So talagang yung matchup na itong mga coaches, hindi lang sa players yung matchup eh. Pati yung mga coaches, di ba? May history din sila.
Yes, yes. Oh.
Na tumalim uupo muna. Itong Hassel going small ball right now. As the first free throw para dito kay Jolo Navarro knocks it down. Chill lang to Navarro, no, Coach Den. Walang ngingiti lang eh. Yun lang emosyon na pinapakita niya eh. Walang trash talk, walang Very chillax na player eh. Borgie gives it to Alexandre. Arellano brave to let Transquire connection there. Hindi nga na pumasok para kay Gazingan. Dungo against Miranda. Two rivals in the juniors of the UAAP. Doy fires, is fouled by Alexandre.
Mukhang na-experience move yung Dungo doon against Alex Gazingan.
pinapakita lang ni Dungo na scorer talaga siya. Tingnan natin. Uy, sabit nga. Sumabit din si Gazingan. Free throws para dito kay Andre Dungo. Let's see. The pride of San Simon can make all three as he knocks down the first one. Of course, his father is in attendance dito. Let's see if Doy can make the next two. Knocks down the second one. And there you go. There's his proud father dito in attendance.
Nakita mo yun, so itong first 30 minutes ng ball game natin, consistent ang Andre Dungo.
Lima na lang ang kanilang hinahabol, Coach din. Like sabi nga natin kaya bang i-sustain ng Hassel itong ginawa nila ng first half kasi for sure itong Pampanga magigising bigla yan.
Yes, tama ka. So, nakita natin both teams nagkaroon ng adjustment. Mukhang successful yung Delta team sa pag-adjust nila.
Miranda against Moral. Dwayne, bullet pass underneath the Gazingan. Bitin lang for Alexandre. Here comes Dungo against Basti. Good defense by Basti Reyes. But andun si Chog for the putback. Dalawa na lang ang kalamangan ng Hassel. Miranda on the run. Humihigpit na ang depensa ng parehong koponan. And there's a foul.
Makita natin na walang gustong matalo, Enzo.
Kita natin. Councilor Dave Dungo kanina palakpak ng palakpak sa effort na ginagawa ng Pampanga Delta. Of course, he's the father of Andre Dungo, always present sa mga laro. Gazingan to inbound. Finds Borgi. Reguera. Drops it off to Basti. Reyes fouled and won!
Unselfish play para kay Reguera.
Grabe. Arellano Brave to Letran Squire. Standouts in the NCAA. Borgi finds itong si Basti Reyes for the lakas move of the quarter. Brought to you by True Religion Brand Jeans. Puro pahir. Yung mga score ni Basti Reyes na Coach din, nandun lang palagi sa dunker spot Alam niya yung role niya
Oo.
That finally breaks the silence for the Hustle Rising Suns. Halos 2 minutes silang napako sa 65.
Ito yung bonus free throw ni Basti Reyes.
In and out and back in again for Basti. Final 10.8 seconds of the third quarter. Dungo to Navarro. Jolo fires. Off the mark. Tapi ka ng bola. Borgi gets it. Basti. No good. Moral. Oh! Does that count? Does that count for Chog Moral? Grabe, Coach din.
Pangalawang buzzer beater ng Delta.
Oo. And ang possible dito, Coach din, kung counted yan, potential pang, hindi naabot. From that quick look natin, hindi naabot for Chog Moral. That would have been big if that would have counted dahil nga naputol na netong Pampanga Delta ang kalamangan ng Hustle Rising Suns to just 5 points na lang entering the fourth and final period as we see some third quarter highlights, and it was legit, Coach din, Andre Dungo show para sa Pampanga.
Yes, for the first 30 minutes of the game, Andre Dungo binubuhat ng Delta Pradera.
Dito naman sa panig ng Hassel, 3 ang pwede. Dwayne Miranda, etong si Basti Reyes, and siyempre, Pads Padilla.
Yes. Itong Renzo Competente, medyo nag-slow down ngayong third quarter.
Nanahimik na, Coach.
Yes.
Siyempre, alam natin sa basketball, hindi lang 30 minutos, 40 minutos po ang ilalaro ng mga batang to Kaya nga, kapit lang mo mga kasinag kasi for the final 10 minutes, 5 lang po ang hinahabol ng Pampanga Delta dito. 68-63 kontra the Hustle Rising Suns. Sino mananalig? Malalaman po natin yan sa pagbabalik natin dito sa Sinag Liga Asia Junior World Showcase Philippines.
Project Clothing Shop has been a sublimation company for a long time. We have evolved by proving quality and top-notch products for our customers. The design jerseys are carefully examined and printed in a quality machine that produces a fast printing, the biggest machine in the printing industry. In the sewing section, all the sewing experts use quality thread, needles and machine to make the product good-looking and durable. We customize clothing and sportswear in full sublimation. What are you waiting? Visit us now.
Sinag Liga Asia Junior World Showcase Philippines Born 2004 division is brought to you by True Religion Brand Jeans. Of course, we can see here our Commissioner Rodney Santos, the pride of Pampanga himself, our COO Coach Leo Isaac, and of course our Chairman Mr. Rocky Chan in attendance. Mga boss, kompleto ngayong araw. Siyempre, we would like to welcome also one of our new sponsors dito sa Sinag Liga Asia, ang Fulitech Philippines Incorporated. Welcome po sa aming growing family dito, ang Fulitech PH. Competente fires, knocks it down!
Ganda ng simula.
Yan yung quarter scoring natin, Coach din, no?
Yes.
18-21-24 for Pampanga. Dito sa Hassel, 24-31 nung second and 13 lang nung third quarter.
Oh, nakita natin nag-slow down yung Hassel sa third quarter. Ito namang Delta nakapag-adjust talaga.
Pero grabe yung 31 points sa second quarter, no, Coach? As Borgie from the outside! Grabe, manang-mana sa tatay niya.
Manang-mana, mukhang fourth quarter.
Oo. As bawi naman dito ni Joseph Pangilinan. Kuya pala nandun si Kuya Migs.
Oh, sabay tingin sa kuya.
Tingnan niya kuya niya. Kanina, hindi ka pumapalakpak, ha? Sabi siguro ni Joseph. Basti against Charles. Basti fires. Basti knocks it down.
Nakita mo, Enzo, nagmamature ditong Basti Reyes sa laro niya. Ha?
Last year, wala pa siyang ganyan, no, Coach din?
Yes. Oh.
We have a game here, ladies and gentlemen, as Pangilinan heat check off the mark. Dumo try to keep it alive. Gazingan on the run against Moral. Gazingan puts it up and in, overthrown. Back to 9 points ang kalamangan dito ng Hustle. Dumo is fouled by James Eason. Eason sabi niya walang foul, but syempre, Coach din, napito na yun ng referees, diba?
Yes, oo. Siyempre, kung ano yung nakita ng referee, yan ang tatawagan talaga.
At sabi nga kanina ni Coach Philip Gary, wala pa daw sa history ng basketball na kapag nagreklamo yung player, binabawi yung foul.
Yes. At saka mostly, walang umaamin na player, sabi nga.
Totoo yan.
Yes, di ba?
Hindi na siguro basketball player yung pag umamin ng Coach din.
Kaya ka.
Dungo, spins. Pahirapan yung tira na yun ni Doyce. What defense galing sa smaller James Eason. Here comes Eason on the other end. Tries to set up Competente. Renzo over Andre. In and out nga lang. Dungo. Oh, step back. Fly by. Three-pointer. Short nga lang yun, but Chog gets the rebound. Grabe sipag.
Ayan ang sinasabi mong hindi pa nakikita ng mga coaches.
Oh, Borgie's down on the floor. Paul Reguera in pain on the other end. Holding on to his right hip. Namimilipit si Paul Reguera dun. This is not a good look, regardless of if you're cheering for Pampanga Delta or Hustle Rising Suns. And Coach J.R. De La Cruz, a look of concern from the head coach of the Hustle Rising Suns right now, checking onto his player. Concerned din to, dahil napaka-talented coach din nitong batang itong mahaba pang paglalaroan nito sa mundo ng basketball sa Pilipinas.
Yes, tama ka, Enzo.
Tignan natin dito yung action, what happened there. The rebound play. Mag-isa lang dun si Borgie, parang he just fell down din.
Oo.
Parang pumitik, no, Coach Den? And yun yung mga injuries na medyo, hindi medyo, nakakatakot kasi non-contact injury yun.
Yes, oo.
You can see his mother right there looking on. Of course, yung mother nila nandito. When I say nila, Borgie is playing right now. Yung kuya niya mamayang si Jordy maglalaro din. With J Project Clothing Boomers as yun, Jordy Reguera. I believe, pinainom na ng painkillers ata yun by our medical staff. We will hear from Francine Capili later on an injury update on Borgie Reguera. As Competente fires, no good. Gazingan keeps it alive. Oh! Dural. And ito, Coach Den, nakita ko malinis sa taas pero nakakapit siya sa balikat.
Yes, oo.
Kaya sabi ko, baba ng talo naman ni Basti doon. Nakakapit kasi si Charles Dural.
Medyo malaki itong Basti Reyes kaya napakapit itong si Dural.
Yung potential nitong Basti Reyes, 18 years old, may playing years pa sa high school. Ang dami pa ang dami pang kailangan ma-improve sa laro niya, di ba? Pero ngayon pa lang, dominante na siya. At kita natin yung work ethic ng bata, Coach din, di ba?
Yes, oo. Yung mga hard work nila. Tapos dito sa Sinag Liga, talagang mapoprove nila kung ano yung kaya nilang gawin sa next level competition.
Totoo, lalo na next year, pagkatapos ng high school career niya, di ba? Yung college level naman, siya naman ngayon ang susunod dito sa mga yapak nila Padilla.
Yes, so
Coach Philip Gary on your screens. So, ayan, marami matututunan niya kay Coach Philip Gary for sure.
Oh, isa rin na experienced player yan. Yung
Dungo against Ison. Ison has been doing a good job on Andre recently. Oh, there you go! Bad pass galing dito kay Dungo. Hindi sa natapik daw. May coach's challenge si Coach Jay Shera dito. Are they going to oblige? Hindi na daw. Baba na lang daw sa depensa. 9 points ang kalamangan dito ng Hustle. Padilla. Competente fires. Off the side of the backboard there. And Competente is fouled by... Or sorry, Dungo is fouled by Competente. Pasabit na talagang ginagawa nito ng Dungo. No, Coach?
Yes, experience na talaga yung Dungo.
Alam niya tumatakbo yung Competente. Haharangan siya. So babanggain niya para makuha yung contact, di ba?
Yeah, yes.
Competente uupo muna. Navarro against Gazingan. Letran Squire versus Letran Squire. Navarro puts it up and in against Basti.
Power move para kay Jolo Navarro.
Takeover na ata dito. Coach din si Jolo. Basti. One-handed shot. No go. Dural keeps it for Pampanga. 7 points ang hinahabol nitong Pampanga Delta. Dungo fouled again by Basti Reyes. Dumadagdag na itong team fouls nitong Hustle Rising Suns. 3 team fouls na sila. 2 more and penalty na. The Tumalim comes in. Coach Jay Shera will call for time dito. 6 minutes and 40 natitira sa ating laro. 7-point lead for the Hustle Rising Suns. 79-72.
Sa unang subo hanggang huli, parang kisa aking pisngi. Kain love, love talaga. Kahit di sabihin, feel na love kami. Kain love, love talaga.
Sinag Liga Asia, born 2004. Junior World Showcase Philippines is brought to you by Winzen's Cafe, the official cafe partner of Sinag Liga Asia. As right now, let's turn it over to Francine Capili for her report on Paul Reguera's injury on the Hustle Rising Suns.
An update also on Paul Reguera, he said that nabagsak daw siya after mabump ng certain player on his groin area, but the pain is radiating to his right hip. Though he's not certain kung sino yung certain player na nakatama sa kanya. Papakiramdaman pa daw niya if he can still play the remaining minutes, but currently he is being tended by our medic. Now back to you, Enzo and Coach Den.
Thank you so much, Francine. Yun pala, nung tinry niya mag-draw ng charge doon kay Moral, tumama doon sa may groin area niya, tapos umextend daw sa right hip niya yung pain. Kaya pala tumumba na lang siya doon biglaan, Coach Den.
Akala natin walang contact, pero nauna yung contact, so
Parang
yung
delayed
reaction
lang,
niya,
no?
delayed.
Oo. That's offensive foul na ipito dito kay Andre Dungo, and pinaalam sa kanya ni Ison na naisahan niya si Dungo. Take a look at this. Again, Dungo was trying to get himself open, and kitang-kita yung tulak doon.
Yes, trying to create a space.
Ison on the other end, knocks down the three! And may konting stare down pa kay Dungo doon. 10-point lead ulit for Hustle. Chog being hounded here by Dwayne. Oh, good steal by the Tumalim. Jaden natapik. Pangilinan is fouled by Ison. That'll be the third personal foul for James Ison and the 14th foul ng Hustle Rising Suns. As Dungo iuupo muna ni Coach Jay. And eto tanong, Coach Den, di ba? Nakaupo yung Dungo, saan manggagaling ang opensa ng Pampanga Delta?
Yes, hintayin natin sino mag-step up.
As Navarro, yun pala yung sagot.
Yun yung sagot. Binigyan tayong sagot kagad.
Talagang sinigaw ni Navarro, sa kanya daw ibigay eh. And alam niya, tropa moment na sila sa glitan ni Gazingan. As ngayon, ibigay natin kay Francine Capili for her update on Doy Dungo of Pampanga Delta Pradera Team Park.
Para kay Andre Dungo, who missed their last game against Deep Basketball to play for his college team Lasal, according to him, madami siyang lessons from his collegiate career that he's taking with him here on our SLA Juniors League. Siyempre, iba't iba ang level of competition when it comes to playing for different teams. But the eagerness to learn from every game and improve stays the same for Andre Dungo. That's why no matter which team he plays for, he's still the same Andre Dungo that we see in court. Now back to you, Enzo and Coach Den.
Thank you so much, Francine. Yun, ibang-ibang level, madami kang matututunan pa rin kahit anong level pa yan, no, Coach Den.
Yes, lalo na dito, iba-ibang schools, iba-ibang skill level ang makakalaban ng mga players natin.
At ang maganda dito, Coach Den, halo-halo na, di ba?
Yes. Makita mo, iba-ibang schools, pinanggalingan, iba-ibang coaches, programs.
Agaya nito, Letranista, Pads Padilla, Malonzo. No good! Navarro try to keep it alive, pero mintis pa rin. Pampanga, yung kanilang perfect record dito is in jeopardy. Ison, the kick to Pads. They give it to Dwayne. Miranda wants a screen from Basti. Dwayne, pick and pop to Basti, and traveling violation doon si Basti Reyes.
Nanggigil doon si Basti Reyes.
Kompetente, babalik na on the floor together with Andre Dungo. Saglit na inom ng tubig lang pala nung si Dungo.
Nagkakaroon tayo ng mind game dito sa mga coaches natin, Enzo, ha?
Tama, Coach Den. 11-point lead for Hustle. Natahimik si Pangilinan, Coach Den, ha? After maganda yung simula niya kanina.
Yung adjustment ng defense ng Hustle.
Oh, defense
yung magandang resulta. Nagparamdam pa yung Reyes.
Ang hirap nun, ha? Mas matangkad sa kanya yung Doral, mas mataas tumalon, pero hinuli niya sa taas ng Coach Den.
Yes. Isa rin niya sa na-develop nitong Reyes, ha? Yung timing sa defense.
Minsan hindi kailangan ikaw yung pinakamataas tumalon, no? Nasa timing talaga, Coach Den.
Yes, oo.
Timing and discipline, kasi walang foul yun eh. Ang linis eh. Dungo against Ison. Oh! What a basket from Andre Dungo. Grabe. Look at that, Coach Den. Ang hirap naman ng ating lakas drive of the quarter. Brought by CDO Foods, beer food that brings you home. Saglit ang pahinga na yun, Coach Den. Parang na-recharge siya eh.
Kaya nga eh. Nakita mo yung how to create ang offense nitong si Dungo.
Yes, as we can see, Councilor Dave Dungo and entire family ni Doy watching dito. Down by 8 na lang ito Pampanga. Hustle still protecting that lead. Miranda. Step back triple. Short nga lang. Dungo. Looking ahead at the basket. Doy, the Euro. Doy, the flip shot. And the putback for Andre.
Sabi mo nga, Enzo, parang na full charge kagad tong Dungo. Wala pang 1 minute yung rest niya.
Grabe, no, coach. Alang-alam mo, isang quarter na siya nilagay. Pinagpahinga eh. Ganun kabilis eh. Ganun siya ka-energetic. Pero, 6 pa rin ang hinahabol nila. Miranda slips. Fight for the loose ball. Malonzo dives on the floor. And it's gonna be a foul on who?
Referee natin.
Oh, it's James Malonzo ang napituhan. Akala ni Dungo siya.
Yes, oo. Kaya biglang sama ng tingin sa referee.
Bola naman nakuha ni Dungo na Coach Dave. Ay, Coach Den. Pero nakahatak kasi si Malonzo eh.
Yeah.
Sige, si Alexandre Gazingan on your screens. Labas muna. Ito si Ison at Miranda. Balik. Kompetente. And Borgie Reguera. Good sign that Borgie's are now on the floor back. Padilla gives it back to Kompetente. Renzo uses the screen. Padilla wide open. Spins. Attacks. Blocked by Doral. Basti. No go. And there's a foul underneath.
Hard work kay Reyes. Nakasungkit siya ng foul doon.
Basti Reyes. Back to the free throw line, who has clearly, Coach Den, stepped up big time talaga. And kung merong player dito para sa Hustle, may argument si Pads Padilla, pero itong si Basti Reyes talaga yung naging important player for Hustle today.
Kasi meron siyang rebound. Nakita mo kanina, may block shots siya. Ngayon, nasa free throw. Baka try to score.
And even yung mga bagay na hindi nag-a-appear sa stats ng Coach Den, yung mga kahit taas kamay lang na depensa, yung mga ball screens niya.
Yes.
Talagang walang pangontra. Of course, i-maximize din niya. Bukod sa wala nga yung Luis Pablo, dito naman sa Pampanga, wala rin yung VJ Pre.
Yes. Ayun, may tinawag ating referee.
Holding foul on Kompetente. Second personal foul on Renzo. I believe 2 free throws mabibigay dito kay Charles Doral. Talaga din yung action doon. Ooh! Na-stuck siya sa screen doon ni Doral. Charles misses on the first free throw. Let's see if Charles can adjust and knock down the second. 3 minutes and 11 natitira sa ating laro. 1 out of 2 for Doral. 7 points ang kanilang hinahabol. Coach Jay Shera. Look of concern dito. First game na buong laro, Coach Den, na hindi pa lumalamang ang Pampanga Delta. Ever.
Yes. Tsaka nakikita dito, yung oras hindi nasa side ng Delta.
Oh! What a shot there for Kompetente!
Time to hit that 3 points for Kompetente.
0 for 7. Simula kaninang third quarter. Ngayon, unang-unang make niya, Coach Den, ha? As Dungo, sobra yung tira. And Coach JR and Coach Philip telling their boys, kalmahin muna. Ubus oras sila ngayon. Can they be the first to knock off Pampanga Delta Pradera Team Park? Padilla goes to Borgie. Too strong, and the Tumalim taps it out of bounds. Jog Moral papasok. Is this going to be a big victory for Hustle, and can it shake up the standings sa Born 2004 natin? Moral attacks. Moral blocked by the Tumalim. But they say it's goaltending. They say blocking foul daw pala, hindi pala goaltending. Kahit sila Coach JR, Goldman, no? Akala goaltending yung pito eh.
Yes, oo.
Oh, yun, body contact nga. Malinis sa taas, body contact sa ilalim. Moral.
May mga crucial free throws na ayaw mag-miss ng mga coaches yung mga ganyan.
One out of 2 ulit. Kanina, 1 out of 2 Coach Den si Doral. Ngayon naman, si Moral naman ang 1 out of 2.
Yes, we have only 2 minutes for the ball game.
Nararamdaman na natin ang hustle. Rising Suns faithful dito. This momentum victory dito as... Oh! Competente! With a big triple right there! Dungo, 3-pointer off the mark. Navarro, step back triple. Ayaw talaga. Big rebound by Datumalim.
Mukhang yung 3 points ni Competente, yun ang dagger 3 for Hustle.
And eto na, yung pampadiin pa ata to, Coach Den, if ever they get a basket right here, especially a 3. Padilla, Competente for the dagger. Night! Sabi ni Competente!
Parang nagdilang ang Helga doon, Enzo, ha?
Oo. Grabe, sabi natin, Coach Den, nung first half, makaisa lang to si Competente. Sunod-sunod na yan. 0 for 7 in the first 3 quarters. Dito sa fourth, 3 sunod-sunod na crucial.
Yes, tama ka dyan. With the pagpasok ng last 2 minutes, doon siya ginanahan.
Grabe, and that would potentially be the dagger 95-80 in favor of the Hustle Rising Suns.
J Project Clothing Shop, Premium Fabric. We customized, quality printing. Makers of quality uniform. J Project Clothing Shop, Premium Fabric. We customized, quality printing. Makers of quality uniform.
Renzo, Competente, the now growling Tiger. Talagang nag-roar in this last 2 minutes. Coach Den, grabe.
Oh. Yun nga, kanina ayaw pumasok mga 3 points niya.
Malonzo looking for a miracle dito for Pampanga Delta. They need a quick basket here. James to Allen. Danan jumper off the mark. Yun nga lang, hindi nakuha ni Basti na maayos yung rebound.
Yes.
Pagtalon niya, nasa paa na pala niya yung bola. Fricks from the outside. Oh! Bautista!
Hindi pa tapos ang Delta dito, Enzo.
Yes. And pwede din kasi factor dito, Coach Den, yung quotient system, no? Pag nagka-tight ang records, because may round 2 pa tong 19 under, double round robin tayo, quotient system could play a factor to those teams na tied ang score.
Yes, lalo na dito sa 19 and under natin, Enzo.
Yes. As Padilla, flip shot, no go. Fernandez with the rebound. Malonzo, weaving through the defense. Jumper off the glass. That cuts the lead down to 10. But how about that? In the battle of the uphill and downhill, it's going to be the Hustle Rising Suns not only snapping their 3-game win streak, but also snapping the 2-game losing streak, Coach Den. Hustle also snaps this win streak of Pampanga Delta.
Yes. Ito, malaking boost of confidence para sa Hustle team. Talunin nila yung number 1 team ng sa category natin, 19 and under.
Yes, Hustle will now move up to 3-2. Above 500 na sila after that 2-game losing skid nila a momentous victory dito dahil they knock off one of the undefeated teams dito sa 19 under with this final score 95-85. Grabe, Coach Den. Total team effort. Lahat nag-step up in the absence of Luis Pablo, in the absence of Jonathan Manalili. Everyone sa panig ng hustle, umambag in their own way. Dwayne, of course, andun si Pads, Basti Reyes din, di ba?
Yes. So, tama ka dyan, Enzo. At nakita natin, last 2 minutes dun nagpakita itong Enzo kompetente.
Tatlong dagger threes.
Tatlong dagger threes, yeah.
Grabe nga ang ginawa nito ni Kompetente in the last 2 minutes. But ngayon, kasama na ni Francine Capili, ang ating CDO Best Player of the Game. Kilalanin na natin siya. Francine, sino kasama mo dyan?
I'm here with our CDO Best Player of the Game, Sebastian Reyes from Hustle Rising Suns with 22 points, 18 rebounds, and 2 assists. First of all, congratulations, Basti, on a double-double performance. Naging consistent ang lead nyo against Delta. Sinabi rin ng teammates nyo na hindi magiging madali ito. Pero despite that, na-overcome nyo ito. Paano nyo ito nagawa?
Siguro kasi yung mga past few games namin, tuwing first half, malaki yung lamang namin. Then pagdating ng second half, napapabayaan namin. Siguro yun yung naging pinakang lesson sa amin na huwag maging kampante kahit lamang na. Kasi 4 quarters yan, hindi naman natatapos ng 2 quarters. Kaya dinala namin yung lesson na yun. Kaya di namin pinabayaan yung lamang namin pagdating ng second half.
Now, coming off from a loss and now a win, kayo yung unang nakatalo sa Delta on the first round of the eliminations. How does it feel to beat a team like Pampanga Delta?
Siyempre, big win para sa amin yun. Pero yun nga, eliminations pa lang to. Kumbaga, dito natatapos yung mission namin. May game pa ulit kami bukas. And yun lang, siguro stay composed lang kami and focus lang.
Now, I'm giving you the opportunity to greet and thank anyone you would like.
Siguro yung family ko sa Quezon tsaka sa Laguna. Thank you sa panonood. And syempre kay God, yun lang.
Again, Basti Reyes, our CDO Best Player of the Game, who will be receiving a gift back from CDO, food that brings you home. Now, back to you, Enzo and Coach Den.
Thank you so much, Franz. And once again, congratulations to Basti Reyes, our CDO Best Player of the Game. 22 points and a monster 18 rebounds. And Coach Den, thank you so much for joining us today. Ano yung final thoughts mo po bago natin tapusin ang game?
Ito, magandang opportunity na napanood natin at nandito ako sa panel with you, Enzo.
Yes.
Napakagandang laban against Delta at saka Hassel.
Grabe, Coach Den. Thank you so much. I hope nag-enjoy ka and babalik ka. Babalik ka dito.
Baka mawili ako. Lagi ako dito.
Mas maganda nga yan eh. Pero siyempre mga kasinag, mawiwili din kayo kasi hindi pa po dyan nagtatapos ang ating Saturday triple header with this final score 95-85 in favor of the Hustle Rising Suns. Susunod po, it's the battle between Tikas Kapampangan and the star-studded J Project Clothing Boomers. Susunod na po yan, but dyan po magtatapos ang ating second game for today. For Coach Den Bautista, Francine Capili, I am Enzo Galarosa, and on behalf of Direk Nomar Santiago, Direk Don Mike Danan, Direk Pili Ray De Leon, Direk Ramonito Roa, and the rest of the hard-working men and women na nagtrabaho dito from the Bacolor Convention Center in Bacolor, Pampanga. This has been your Sinag Liga Asia Junior World Showcase Philippines Born 2004. Kita-kits mga kasinag! Peace!